So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I am going to do a Charles inspired makeup look, and yeah. So if you're new here to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment on this video. And don't forget to ring the notification bell, and don't forget to follow me on my social media account and Instagram at Darcy Ricardo and Facebook Darcy Ricardo. And here's the look I'm going to do. So without any interruption, let's jump out to the video. So for my foundation, I use some matte finish liquid foundation. So now I'm applying my concealer from EB Advanced and US. So I'm going to blend. So for our eyebrows, I will be using BYS first. So first, I'm going to apply gel. So I will just I will now go to clean the edges of the eyebrows using concealer. Okay. Now we are finished our eyebrows. It's not so perfect. Guys, I will finish the look of the eyeliner, the false line, and also the lips. So stay tuned. So guys, this is the finished look of eyeliner. Hi sisters, James Ross here. Thanks for watching. Bye.